Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This week I am recreating the makeup from that meme where it was like guys wanting girls with natural makeup. And I just really liked her makeup look. It was nice and glowy, so I'm gonna recreate that today. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. So I've already put down an eyeshadow base. I went in and did my brows too. I did them a little bit bolder today just because that's how it looked in the picture. So we'll get started with transition shade, just going right into my eye socket and deepening up that outer V. So I'm going to go in with a smaller blending brush and just focus a dark brown shade just in my outer V, just to deepen up that even further. Moving on to highlight for the eye. I think this is probably the most important part of the look. I'm going to use my finger and just put a highlight all over my lid, and then in my inner corner I'm going to use the same highlight, but I'm going to use a champagne color over the top of that. I'm gonna take a itty bitty blending brush and just move into my bottom lash line. And I'm just gonna take the darker shade that I used in my outer V to smoke out my bottom lash line. So I've already given my lashes a curl. I'm just gonna go in and tightline my waterline on the top just to give it a little bit of extra definition. And then I'm gonna go on the bottom waterline, sticking as close as I can to that lash line just to give it a little extra definition. Then I'm just gonna smudge out the very outer edge of that eyeliner. And taking that same angled brush, I'm just going to smudge out the bottom lash line as well. Next, I'm going to move on to under eyes. I'm just going to color correct it with my finger. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with my favorite BB cream and just cover my whole face. Next, going in with a little face brush, I'm going to apply blush. And we move on to highlight. I'm going to go in with my big kind of fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to move my face around and just kind of see where the light hits it and apply the highlighter there. And then I'm going to go back with a smaller, more condensed brush and focus it right on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. For lippy, I'm going to go in with another tinted lip balm. I'm going in with kind of a pinky color. Final step, I'm going to go in with my favorite setting spray. So this is the finished look. So that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what you guys think of my look, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!